Greetings, 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 and welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now, a one thing fi swap out black dog for monkey, but it's a whole nother thing fi swap out a king for a murderer. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, for make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 23 from verse 13 to verse 25. Pilate called up the head priest them, the leader them, and people them, and say, "Uno carry the man here come to me and claim say him a cause the people them to go against the government. Me question him in front of uno and see say him no do none of the thing them when we a blame him for. Herod never see where him do nothing wrong neither, cause him send him back to me. Uno can't see say the man here no do nothing wrong for we kill him. So me we just punish him and let him go." The whole crowd shout out, "Kill Jesus! Give him Barabbas!" Barabbas did in a prison, cause he lead people to fight against their ruler, and he did kill people. Pilate did want let go Jesus, so him talk to the crowd again. But them keep on a shout, "Yes, kill him pan the cross, kill him pan the cross." Pilate asked them again. That make 3 times. What make? What him do wrong? Me no find say him do nothing wrong. Fi we kill him. May we punish him and then let him go. But they no tap shout out say them fi kill Jesus pan the cross. Them shout so till them win. So Pilate give them what them want. Him let go the man where them did ask for. The one where did make people fight against their ruler and where did murder people. And Pilate give them Jesus for do what them want do with him. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.